got red eyes.
You
and
do.
Wait.
You have to do the whole arm.
I think he's possessed by a demon.
You have to do the whole arm thing.
No.
Or you just do that.
Go up to the punches window real quick.